Hello everyone, welcome to Data Science Community. In today's video, we are going to discuss where clause in SQL. Okay, we already discussed about select in my last video of SQL, and in this video we are going to understand what is where clause and how we can implement it on SQL. Okay, so without wasting our time, let's start. Okay, so when we need to filtering our data based on certain conditions. Okay, at that time we use where clause. Okay, and where clause is used with many SQL commands like select, update, delete, and etc. Okay, so basically what is the syntax of where clause? Okay, so basically it is clear to everyone that in simple words we can say that where clause is used to filtering our data based on certain conditions. Okay, for example, I want my data I want the data of employees which is having salary greater than 50,000. Okay, so I will write like select star from if you want to select all the columns, or you can specify the column name if you want from table name. Okay, for example, my table name is employee, so select star from employee where salary equals to 50,000. so here we use where to apply the condition in SQL. Okay, so I hope so it is clear to everyone. Okay, now this is the list of operators that can be used with where clause. Okay, greater than equals to, less than equals to, less than or not equals to, between, like, and in. Okay, these were some operators which we use with where clause. Okay, so as you can see here, the above six operators are simple conditional operators. Okay, and between, like, and in we can discuss it on separate videos, how to apply use between with where, like with where, and in with where, how we can use these as operators in SQL. Okay, we learn it on a separate videos. So let's first learn about above 6 conditional operators. Okay, so let's go to our SQL Workbench. So this is for here I'm using the database which I used in my select video, or which the table which I created at that video. I'm using that database here. Okay, so let's first run the show databases. Okay, and here you have all the names of the databases which we created yet. Okay, so let's just use test db. Okay, test db, sorry, semicolon, control enter. To run a particular line we use control enter. Okay, and here I want to the name of my data set is see all the tables present in this particular database. Okay, so here we have only the customer table. So here I can use I want to see all the columns present in this customer table. So here I use select star from customer. Okay, control enter, and here you can see that the columns present here is ID, name, age, city, and salary. Okay, so let's use our first simple where clause here. Okay, so here I want all the columns from customer table where let's check the salary. Okay, where the salary equals to I can see 22,000. Okay, and semicolon, and just press control enter, and here you can see that in this output. Okay, here you can see the output. Here you can see that only the column which is having salary 22,000 is printed here. Okay, and other columns were not present here. Okay, now let's check it for okay, so this sign is used for not equals to in SQL. Okay, and as you can see here, all the columns is returned, but except the row. Every column is present here, every row is present here, but as you can see here, the row which is having salary 22,000 is not present here. Okay, now if you want to see, okay, as you can see here, the row 2 is containing the salary 22,000, so the second row is not present here. For checking that, you can apply last condition here, as you can see here. Okay, now I want to see, sorry, I applied the reverse, sorry, less, greater than or equals to, salary which is less than or equals to is here. Okay, and you can also apply greater than, sorry, greater than and equals to. Okay, and here you can see that all the values which is having salary greater than 22, greater than or equals to 22,000 are written here. Or you can also apply one more condition. Now let's check the condition based on the age. Okay, I want the salary which is having age less than equals to 25. Okay, just run this line, and here you will get, this is the age column, and here you can see that the age is less than 25 years. Okay, that's how you can apply where clause in SQL. Now in next video we are going to discuss how we can apply in, like, and between clause in with where. Okay, these, how we can use these operators with where clause in SQL. Okay, so this was the basic topics which you should know if you want to become a data scientist, or you want to crack any interview or any of the software development job, any IT job. These were the basics you should know. Okay, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more such videos.